Welcome back, guys. Today we're making Salmorejo de Cangrejo, which is crab stew. This dish could be eaten with white rice and some plantains, or you can have it with mofongo, or you can use it as a stuffing for the empanadas or empanadillas. So I'm going to start off by putting 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Now this recipe is gonna cook 1 pound of crab meat. So I'll go ahead and put 2 spoonfuls of the big spoon of sofrito. Now let this cook for about 4 minutes. So after your sofrito's been cooking for around 3 to 4 minutes, you go ahead and you add 1 packet of sazon. And then you'll add 1 teaspoon of oregano. 1 teaspoon of salt with 1 teaspoon of black pepper is in here. Go ahead and add that. Then make sure you bring your fire down to medium. And then add 1 whole can of 8 ounces of tomato sauce. Make sure everything is well blended in. And then you're gonna add 6 stuffed manzanilla olives, which is the olives with no the seed inside, not that one, the one with the little red piece of pepper inside. And last but not least, 1 bay leaf. And the final touch will be 1 pound of fresh crab meat. Make sure it doesn't have the water that it comes in. Go ahead and break it down. Make sure everything is well blended in. This recipe is very simple and it's very delicious. Okay. And then for it to have more stew to it, just add approximately 1/4 cup of water. And then cover it and let it cook for 15 minutes. Okay, so after your 15 to 20 minutes are up, you go ahead and give it a stir. Make sure everything is well blended in, mixed in. Crab is an easy meat, so the flavors will be taken in quick. Just taste it. Make sure that it's seasoned to your liking. You could go ahead and add a little bit more salt or pepper, um, if you think that it needs more of either one. So at this point, the crab is already done. You can go ahead and turn it off. And today I'll be serving it with white rice. It's a side dish where you can put it on top of the rice. And there you go. That's it. Hope you guys like it, enjoy it. Go ahead and subscribe and like and share.